Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Caro Kemi. For those who are watching for the first time, oh, you can call me Caro, you can call me Kimi, the one you like. Okay, thank you for watching my clip. For those who are keep on watching, consider subscribing it, like, share with your friends. Okay, this early morning I've just woken up, just done my house call. Now I'm going round 2. Okay, the second work is I'm trying to show you how it works. Okay, you may be like, why am I having this panga? With the way I'm dressed, don't mind me. I'm at home and this is the way I dress. I'm going to look nature grass. Naenda kutafuta nyasi ya ng'ombe, so I have to give them, so like I have to walk. So they are passing here, don't mind me. We don't have gate. That I'm passing, like this is now the shamba. I'm trying to look for the nature grass. You can follow me and show them how we do things at home. Maybe like, do girls do this really? But we do. That is our work. Sometimes we need to help. Let's go. Let's go. Let's show them how. So you see here is just a shot out already. So I'm looking for where to, but I can see some there. Hiyo ndio naenda kukata hiyo. So this work is not only meant for boys. They only say that what a man can do, a woman can do. Watch me doing the best thing. Maybe just an nature grass. For those who don't know me, like don't know how it looks like, though they are less, but I'm going to do just only a few. This is just a nature grass. That's what I'm going to do. That's why I'm going to do the work. So for those who don't know, I can do this work perfect. Do it quite good. Hivi sisi ndio ufanya kazi nyumbani. That is, if you see me, I know how to hold that. So I'm going to, I don't want to pick much. So others are like, I did it earlier before whatever. So like just doing this, I want to look for something to carry with gunia. So okay, good. So nakaribia unawaonyesha what we are trying to do. Vile tunabeba nyasi, vile tunaekelea. That I'm trying to do. No worry. So I'm just hapa unabeba ile yenye unaweza. That's what I'm trying to do. So I do this way, it's because it's heavy. Yeah. Hivi ndio nachukulia ng'ombe. Hii ni gharama, si kitu rahisi. So like I have to have a process. I have to draw them. Just come near. I want to show them how I'm doing this thing. You can see the cows are just watching me. They're like, when will this come? Hapa lazima upite chimba kwa. Yeah. So our cows, you see, they have seen me with chakula. Hivi sisi ndio ulisha ng'ombe. Don't worry. Yep. I'll make sure that I've not left any behind. So I have to go another round 2 because this one is just something like they will finish right now. Was not enough. So guys, this is how we just feed the cattle. You see, it's so simple this way. It's so simple. I can do this and I can manage to defer them. After this one, it's just a morning whatever. They will eat, they will go to the field later to eat the grass. Yeah. So I have to see the round 2. Let me bring once, then I come.